I think we're in a really interesting moment in accounting. And it's not just about AI replacing people. Let's be honest. A lot in the world is changing around us. And for a lot of us, it's moving too quickly and being forced by people that we have no control over. The world is changing around us and we feel like we've lost control. But honestly, it's not all bad. What's really happening is a lot of traditional work, categorization, reconciliation, basic bookkeeping is getting automated. And that's a good thing. And I believe it's something that we've all actually wanted. It makes us move faster, allows our work to be cleaner, and provide insight on a more real-time basis. But the change is happening very quickly, and that is scary. But I think where people get it wrong is that they assume that once we have better data in people's hands quicker, all the problems will go away. Everybody's problems will be solved. And that is just not the fact of the situation. The real challenges will still be there. The questions will still be asked. What actually matters? What should we do about it? And what decisions should be made? We've never had a data problem. It has always been a judgment problem. And throwing more data quickly at a problem will not solve that problem necessarily. So this is where I believe the future is going. We will see a world where AI and people come together. Our future is one that combines both AI handling the execution of the data and people focusing on context, interpretation, and decisions. Not less accountants, just different ones. Accountants that have to interact more often, have more conversations, and provide the insight into the decision-making process. We've historically just thrown data at the problem. Now we'll have the power of data in our hands to have those educated conversations, to try and lead the decisions based on the facts provided. I believe, if anything, this makes accounting more valuable, not less. Because let's face it, people don't just want reports. They want clarity and confidence. And the power of technology and people will allow us to provide that clarity and confidence.